What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm making a delicious beef soup. Sister J's way. Sister J's version. Sister J's style. Come along with me. Let me show you how I make this beef soup.
Sister J, the food tastes nice, Scallion Cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, I have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the...
Here is the beef I have seasoned overnight. Here I have the water on the fire, so I'm just gonna put some garlic in it. Fresh garlic. So now I'm gonna put the beef in. I'm gonna cover the pot and and cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. Then I start to put the other ingredients in. There you have it, my beautiful people. My beef soup is ready. Rich and thick. Vegetables, beef. Wow. This smells so good in this kitchen. I can imagine the Guys, I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.
The food tastes nice, Scallion Cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment. Sister J, the food tastes nice, Scallion Cuisine, so please subscribe. As you start cooking, you have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, them say it tastes nice every time. When you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister J, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it day in the